my amazing friend and robotics companion, Peter Shabani, just phoned into the chat. So, Peter, say hi to the video.
What's up? Very honored to be in this vlog.
Yes, Peter's an amazing guy. He's a high school freshman, and I got to know him. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. Yeah, that's a compliment. So we are gonna explore this beautiful event together, right, Peter?
So excited.
Alrighty, let's do it then. Alrighty. So right now I'm in front of the beautiful house of Bijan. You guys can see the bright yellow. If there's something in bright yellow, you know it's owned by Mr. Bijan. So right now, at the exact spot where the yellow Rolls-Royce Phantom is parked at, the drop head. So that car has been seen by many, dreamed by many, and it's one of the most loved cars on the internet. And I'm blessed to see that car almost every day. So right, Vin? Right?
Yep, I believe it.
So, I was thinking of going and buying something from Milan, but it's closed, as you guys can see, so we don't have the luxury. But we have a lot more to explore in this beautiful street of Rodeo Drive. So, Vin, why don't we go and show them what's in front of us?
Alright then, let's go.
Alright. So right now I'm in front of the highway, guys. So the highway is a hidden feature of the Rodeo Drive, the walk of fashion. So let's go see what we have to do. So the highway, guys, is like a very unique place on Rodeo Drive, which has a salon, a restaurant, and has a lot of things hidden inside. So let's go and find out what we have. So as you guys can see, below me is an extremely good-looking restaurant, and the Highway restaurant is one of the most famous restaurants here at Rodeo Drive, the Walk of Style. And we also have another floor below the Highway, and I've never been there, but that's another restaurant. And then we have a beautiful salon for ladies on the other side. And then we have the House of Bijan on the opposite side. And pretty much every backside of all the stores in the main street is here, guys. And also you have a beautiful donut and a bakery behind the bin. So Vin, you want to grab some?
Yeah, sounds nice.
Alright, let's go and see. Right now, guys, we're about to face the moment of truth and go down the highway to find out what's there. Are you ready, Vin?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. So here we have the beautiful restaurant, the Highway, as you guys could see, and then we have the beautiful entrance right there. So Vin, this is pretty much like a cave, don't you think?
I mean,
It's like the Bat Cave, but more like lightened up. That's like, in my opinion. We have a beautiful elevator here, and I mean, if you want, we could go down and find out what's in there.
Let's go.
We could like go to the depth of Rodeo Drive.
Let's go.
Okay, let's unveil all the secrets, Vin. That's us. Hello. Okay, Vin, just saying, if we get killed, we're not responsible for each other.
Oh,
Okay, what do we have here? What the hell? Yo, I've never been in here. What is this place? This is like a whole underground city. Vin,
Yeah?
I'm gonna be in trouble for coming this down.
I don't think so. I mean, it's open to public. Yeah, sure.
If you don't see a video being posted for the next 6 months, you know what happened, so please comment rest in peace down below. Okay, let's go more and see what hypercars we find. Actually, let's not do that. I have a bad feeling about this. And we have a lot of beautiful stores. A very beautiful statue right here. And as you guys could see, it's like a water fountain. And these statues look very ancient, but I'm not sure. But look at there, it's a beautiful sushi restaurant. So it's like the billionaire hangout sushi, right, Vin?
Yeah.
And yeah, sushi note omakase. So this is like the car park slash shopping mall slash restaurant slash garden slash auto reception slash
Sky.
sky. It actually looks nice, not gonna lie. So a hidden feature slash not non-hidden feature of this car park is that there's a hidden sky. So Win, let's go up there. And we have a shoe service, so pretty much like a place that repairs your shoes for you.
Shoes, come here and fix it.
Yes, sir. Also, disclaimer: they cost like more than $200 just to fix them. Cause I've done that before. So, if you wanna buy a shoe for that price, that's your choice. But we're going out to join the party once again, right, Vin?
Let's go back.
Let's do it.
Back out.
And we don't know where Yuliya, Joey, or anyone is, so rip. Rest in peace to them. And here, guys, we have the Givenchy store coming, and we're back in the Rodeo Drive. Win, you know the new operation mission now?
Yep.
We're gonna go find Yuliya.
Sounds nice. I'm gonna call her first.
Let's do it. We met Aarav near the food truck with the gang. So Aarav,
Guy's name?
Peter Shabani.
Peter.
Aarav,
Now I am.
opinions on the event today.
Overall, it's really nice, but the only downside is last year they had a Christmas tree, but this year they
Yeah, they don't. But are you excited for the fireworks?
The fireworks will be nice.
Alrighty, that's all that matters. Joey.
The fireworks are always really cool.
Yes, sir.
Waiting for that, expecting it.
Yes, sir. So right now we're in line for the food. We are at the food truck in front of Gucci. So let's see what we get. What are you planning on getting, man?
Water.
Water. A bowl of water.
Water.
Oh, yeah.
Coke, I don't know.
Okay, I don't know. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the beautiful Rodeo Drive lighting event, and a special thanks to my friend and all the other friends left. I don't know where they went, but so thank you guys. So stay tuned for next year too, and let's try to keep winning here so we can shoot the next year for you as well. So without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and do everything you guys could, because it's free, it takes nothing. So that's it. Take care. See you. Make sure this. Now I'm in front of the Mayban Hotel, guys, as you guys could see, and I'm beside a beautiful Christmas decoration. So right now we're walking towards the water fountain, as you guys can see right here, and then we have another Christmas decoration, and I'm walking towards the Christmas tree. There we go, guys, right there. Look how pretty that is. Let's go and see how it is from the inside. That's how it looks. Beautiful hotel Mayban, guys. This is the beautiful tree.
Universal Trendy production.